Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chase for investment account funding, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin funding your investment account with Chase, visit the official Chase website. Look for the investing section on the homepage. Click on Open an account to start the registration process. Select the type of investment account you wish to open. Review the details provided about each account type. Once you've made your selection, click on Apply Now. You will be prompted to sign in to your Chase account. If you do not have an existing account, click on Create an account. Fill in your personal information as requested, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your new account. After completion, click Submit to continue. You will receive further instructions in your email to verify your account. Open the verification email and follow the provided link to confirm your identity. Once verified, return to the Chase website and log in to your new investment account. Complete any additional information requested, such as financial background and investment goals. After finishing the application, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, proceed to submit your application. Wait for confirmation from Chase regarding your application status. Once approved, log back into your investment account. Navigate to the funding section of your account. Choose your preferred funding method. Options may include transferring from another bank or using a debit card. Follow the instructions provided for your chosen funding method. Enter the required information to complete the transfer. Double-check all details before finalizing your funding. After submission, monitor your account for confirmation of the funds received. Congratulations, you are now ready to start investing with Chase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.